Julissa, no.
Give me a bowl.
No, Titi, you're not eating my soup.
No, this one is mine.
Okay, well then tomorrow don't ask me for another soup.
I have soup.
I am getting another soup.
Remember the time I was screaming?
Wow.
Remember the time I was screaming? I want to do it. This is funny. This one, I don't think you can laugh. I was like pretending I was screaming, and I was like, you know, when we were talking about how people get mad or whatever.
She did this to a boy, fake cried. It was so funny.
I'm like, alright, this is how I think cry. Well, it's just too fair off.
Go!
Alright. Do it with me. You do it first. Do it first.
I forgot to know how to say.
Don't be do it.
What the heck?
No. Alright, I'll do it with you. Ready? Pretend me and you. Alright. Don't be yelling at me how you talking to me right now. I don't like the way you're talking to me right now. Alright, now it's my turn. Don't be yelling at me how you get at me. There's no fucking reason for you.
What the? You guys are weirdo. Oh, God. Julissa, you're such a weirdo.